my dear brothers and sisters, Jesus, the risen one, has triumphed over sin and death and made us sharers in the joys of his resurrection. This sharing does not end with Easter. Matthew's Gospel ends with the risen Lord appearing to his disciples and sending them out to proclaim the good news. Go and make disciples of all nations, teaching them all that I have commanded you. That is our life, your life and mine. That is the Church's mission, the Easter message, living in our daily lives. May this Easter find us more awake than before and more eager to share with others the joy that is ours from the day of our baptism. Brothers and sisters, I wish you, one and all, a truly joyous Easter with abundant blessings of the risen Lord to you, your families, and your communities.